everyone, welcome back to the Grumpy Gill. I'm Chris, and today, boys, we got Boosh. That's right, the NK Sinister. Grown by Pepper Pappy, aka Sam Spencer. Thank you, brother, for sending this on. Would you hold on? Let's put this thing down. You gotta get a look at her. You gotta get a look. Man, the lighting. It's got some dark blushing down in here. It's really cool. It's hard to see though. Yeah, it starts to get like, you can't see it, but it's like orangish, bright red, like, and then a blood red, and then like it gets like a purpley down in here. It's really beautiful. Anyway, let's cut her open. See what she's about. By the way, good morning. Drinking some coffee. A little caffeine before the chew. Hope everybody has a good day. Oh, thanks to El Hector for the coffee mug that has lasted through the ages. No, I didn't graduate Harvard. I do have a master's degree in theology and Greek and Hebrew, but I'm no Harvard grad. Before that, I was a programmer for U.S. Bank Corporation, and then I worked for Blizzard Entertainment, a little game called World of Warcraft. Now, before you throw stones at me for working on WoW, I was there. Get this, you ready? If you played, you know. You ready? I worked on World of Warcraft during Vanilla WoW up to Wrath of the Lich King, and then I pulled the eject button. If you know, you know. Didn't I get out of there right at the... We all know. Anyway. This is the NK. We think it's the NK Sinister, by the way. Sorry. Anyway. Beautiful. Nice and spongy and oily. Top of the morning, right? Top of the morning. Let's get it. Smells nasty, bro. Let's get it. Cheers. What am I doing? Piece of it got stuck to the roof of my mouth. These are hot, dude. I better go. Mm-hmm. Blistering. all over the mouth. Top, sides, bottom of my tongue. It's like a tunnel of heat. Ooh. Ooh. Chinense and floral. Not so bad on the floral. It's just got that red pod flavor and a heavy dosage of heat on the back end. Ooh. She's all up in my sinuses for sure. Oh man. NK Sinister. NK stands for Nick Kemps. You already know. You already know. That's a torch. Oh, that hurts. It's stinging my mouth so hard. Ooh, baby. She's taking hold right now. Woo! Perfect for the Monai. Whoa, she's getting aggressive. She's pretty aggressive right now. Whoa, that's pretty cool. Wow. She's going to town, man. Oh, I can't open my eyes. Ooh. Oh. Yo. Oh, man. When you gonna let up, girl? Whoa. You didn't say anything, Sam. You warned me about a couple of those other pods being real hot. Woo. That was... Whoa. Oh, man, that was a good one. Oh, the eye problem this morning. I think we plateaued. It's not getting any hotter. I don't know what that was. Dude, my numbers, I don't know what my numbers are. Don't listen to me. I'm just enjoying the pods the best I can. Don't pay attention to my scale. It's not a review. I don't review pods. I don't. I just enjoy them. Speaking of enjoyed, you gotta try that. That was pretty brutal. Quick and brutal. And my sweat was burning. NK Sinister. Grown by the Pepper Pappy. Sam, I appreciate you. Thanks for sending over a box of 100% Heat Life, right? Thanks, bud. I love you. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I hope all y'all have a wonderful day. And you know what time it is? Much love, Grumpy Goo!